Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a project titled Retail Sales Fraud Analysis using Advanced Excel. Case boss, our retail sales data isn't adding up, and I suspect that there may be cases of fraud, but I'm not sure. Some transactions look off, and I've noticed inconsistency in sales numbers, discounts, and invoices. Before we jump to conclusion, I need you to conduct a thorough investigation and confirm if there are any red flags I should work on. Your task to conduct a detailed fraud analysis on the retail sales data, identify irregularities and provide actionable insights. Now, expect to learn this. What you learn in this fraud analysis case: 1. Clean and transform raw sales data for accurate analysis. Detect fraud patterns using pivot tables and data insight. Build an interactive fraud dashboard with pivot charts, slices, and filters. Create a professional fraud analysis report with key findings and recommendations. Skills. So key skills and techniques covered: data cleaning and transformation, handling missing values, duplicates, outliers, date and time, check unique data and split into different columns, pivot tables and charts for fraud detection and trend analysis, conditional formatting, if, count if to highlight suspicious data points, aggregate function, sum if, count if, mean, maximum, and average for fraud analysis. Let's get started. I've attached the dataset in the description. This is your data. It has over 100,000 rows. It's a large data, you can see from here. So we are going to do most of automation and using formulas. Now I've saved my work as this a copy. I like saving it another one just in case something goes wrong. You have your original data as it is. Now, before analyzing fraud, we need to ensure that the dataset is accurate, structured, and complete. So we need to check for inconsistency, duplicates, you see, all that. So what you want to do here, we want to identify and handle missing values. You can see I have missing values. So this being a fraud case, there is something fishy here and we need to investigate, because you can see from here we have our sales ID, product category, sales amount, we have discount, sales region, date of sale, customer gender, sales representative. Now, our interest for fraud is sales amount and discount as our main values here. And you can see from that record we have missing, yet the transaction was recorded. So either this one was sold and the money was not captured, or something isn't adding up, or it was taken. You see, that's why we need to investigate this missing in this case. Now we want to do first thing, I want to highlight this missing in red. Anything that is missing, so we see how many, because at times if it's only one we can ignore, but if it is a lot we cannot ignore. Now here I will do conditional formatting. So you highlight everything, then you go to home, go look for conditional formatting, it's here. Then I want to put a new role. So my new role here, I want to focus on anything that is blank, I want to put it in red. Then we say review. So we check here that fits. Format all says based on their values. Format only says contains. Format top or bottom. Format only values that are above or below average. Format only unique or duplicate. Use formula to determine which cells to format. So I want to use this format only cells that contain. Then here I will choose blank. Now go to format. I want to fill the blank space with red, not number, font, border, fill. I want to fill. You select red, then say OK. Then OK. Now let us see here. Now you can see everything here. Oh, sorry. We've highlighted from the index, so I'll have to undo. So I start from this side, not the index. So Ctrl Z. So highlight. Then that way. Then let us repeat conditional formatting. New rule. Cells that contain. Cell that contain, you have to be specific, blanks, format, okay, let's say okay, yes. Now let us see here. Yes, this is what I want. You can see they are right, so there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's more. See, we need to investigate all these blank spaces. You cannot write a transaction that is blank. It is a possibility of fraud. Now I want to use this red empty. I want to create a column here. So where it is red, I want to say review. Then the others I'll say okay. So we create a new column. Let us say review flag. Enter. Then here in this I'll say if we do another bracket, if or, because I want to compare my sales amount. I want to focus on this sales amount and discount. I want to ignore this customer age and gender. I'm not interested. So I'm interested in the sales amount and discount. That's why I've used if or. So if or this cell D2 is equals to blank, you put double quote, or E2, this one also is equals to blank. You do comma, then I say right inside that, oops, okay, then you say, I want it to say review, you put another quote, else if it is false, it should just tell me okay, and you say enter. Now you see it like this. Now I want to copy this formula down, so I need to do a shortcut, because imagine me dragging 10,000 rows. That is a lot of work. Okay, so you can try double clicking here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So today it has refused. Now what I want to do is I want to go to my last row. Let us go to the last row here. Under that, the same column L, you click, then you want to Control Shift, then arrow, and then say Control Shift D, Control D. Yes. So I've used to highlight all these. I've said Control Shift up arrow, so it selects from my bottom last column upwards, and then to paste I have said Control D. So that is a shortcut I normally use. So where it is red in my 2 column, it will say review. So let us see review. Yes, it's okay. Let us see another review. It is okay. So this column will be useful when we're doing the pivot charts later. Now we're done with that part so of the missing. Let's now handle duplicate. So duplicate, we need to identify a unique identifier here. A unique here is sales ID. Sales ID is likely to be unique because, yes, likely to be unique. Now, so I'll have to also conditional formatting. So I'll highlight this sales ID. Then we go to conditional formatting the way we did, and to highlight anything that is duplicate. I would like to see yellow. So cells that contain, so CSS that contain duplicate. Then let's see if it has duplicate. I want it to fill yellow. Okay. Then format. Then you say okay. Then okay. So let us see if anything here in sales ID is yellow. If it is not yellow, meaning it is no duplicate now. So it's likely that we have unique entries. That is good. So we don't have unique. So if we had duplicates, also that one we'll have to review why we had duplicates. But now we could have done the way we have done here for duplicates. But since we don't have, it's okay. Now our next thing I want us to fix to ensure correct format of values. So if it is numbers, it's numbers, dates in the correct format. So here, first you can see dates is in hash hash hash. This just means the space is not enough. So you come here, double click, and it's okay. Now this is numbers, sales amount. I want it to convert it to currency. So you come here, general. I want it to be in currency. Yeah, it is already in dollars, and I don't want this decimal, so remove it. Same to discount. Come here to currency, to put in dollars. You see the difference. If you say this, the dollar is near. If you touch here, the dollar is separated, but it's still the same. Then, oops, return it. No. For the dates, correct date time, short date. Yeah, just short date. It is okay. Then customer age, it can be in number. Then what else? I think that now so we have our clean data. Now we want to do our analysis. Now it is clean. So the first thing I want to show you, let us find unique data, because you can see in this product category we have movies, this is pet supplies, we have outdoor, we have electronics, books, automotive. So you may be interested in checking a specific category fraud, maybe pet supplies or electronics. You see, you might be interested in that. So first I want to see how many unique values are in this group. So what you do, so equals, you find, let's say, unique. So equals to, you type the word unique, this. Then I want unique, this, yeah, enter. We formally return multiple values, so we spilled into neighboring blank cells. Got it. Now that is okay. So you can see this is product category. This is the unique things that it has. It has, if you want to see at a glance, okay? Yeah, all this, the unique category. Now, instead of that, I can say I can use pivot tables to do that. Okay, so what you will do here, I'll have to come to my data, and let's say home. Yeah, let us come to insert. I need to see pivot tables from the table range. I want it to go to new worksheet. You see, I want it to go to new worksheet, and then I'll say table range, that one. I want to see that one. Then say okay. So you see, category. That's it. But now I would like, okay, let us undo. I tell you something. Just Control Z. So I'll be interested in checking this product. The product, this, let's say I want to select this from B to here. Or you can select everything. Let's go that one. Let us select the whole table, and then I want to insert pivot table from this table range. I want it to go to the new. Oops, it's not valid. From L is not valid. To create, you must use data that is organized as a list with labeled columns. Okay, it seems we've selected something. Now I wanted it to also select a review flag. Let's see, pivot. Let's see if it works. Hey, what is wrong with this? Okay, nevertheless, you can select this. Let us select the one that was existing. We go to home, pivot tables, from the range, new. Yeah, so here you can do product category. So these are the unique if you want to do it. You can do sales amount, you can do discount if you want to show whatever you want to do with that. And you can, yeah, something like that. Then you say okay. So if you want to do this, you want to choose maybe the sales amount. It will highlight the sales amount for appliances. You see? Okay. And it goes to the next sheet. So if you want to say for appliances, you do sales. Okay, whatever you want to do. Then if you want to examine books, whatever book, you select what you want to see. So that is how you see those for using the pivot tables, the unique and everything about that. Yes, so we're done with that part. So let us go back to our data here. So we want to do pivot tables. So now that we have clean and flag data, we'll use pivot table to analyze fraud patterns. So let us detect these missing things. Now we'll set up a pivot tables. Say, so we'll insert pivot tables. Insert. Also do a pivot tables. I want you to go to the new worksheet. Okay, why is it not selecting? Okay. I want it also to select this flag. This review. I want this column to be in our new. To add 101. This is 1001. Let us see which is 1001. That has been selected. 1001. So this is okay. New worksheet. Field name is not valid, or field name is not valid. Pivot table. Why is it not valid? So we control everything. Wait, this is case as representative. Oh, this is empty. Yeah. You see, I skipped this. You see this K. K is empty. That's why we are having problems. So this is a K. J K. See here. There is K here. So let us delete this column. Delete. Yeah, let us try. I'm waiting for it to finish. Done. So J we have values. K we have values. Okay. Let's go back one. Let's try it. So we select pivot tables from that range. I want it to go to the new. Let's say, okay, yeah, good. Now This one I want to detect the missing values with pivot tables. So we've selected the datasheet, created our pivot table. Now I'm interested with employee ID. So I want my employee ID. Where is employee? I want to see which employee did that. So customer age, sales representative, yes. So I want the sales representative of this one. I want the review flag. Select this one. Review flag. Product. Okay, so here, wait. I want this one to be specific. This review flag, we need to separate our review flag. So it shows us the okay and not okay in different column. So okay, let's go back a little. Just delete this one. So this review flag, let us say this formula here. I'm just copying the formula. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me put it. That was the formula here. So here, let's say, let's put it as review. So for this formula, just put it blank. If it is not, I want, okay, this is my formula. I want, if it is red, you say review. If it is not, you say blank. Okay. Now, so we go to the last cell. I want to populate that formula. So let me go to the last. This is my last one. Control Shift up arrow, then you Control D, and that's it. So only where there is a review, it will show review separately. Yeah, good. Good. If also you want, you can say the one with the okay. You can, if you desire, you can say okay to be indifferent in this one. So this one here to say this one, if it is for, if it is empty, let me type it say okay. Okay. Now let us go to the last. We populate our M. Control Shift up, Control D. Good. I think you've seen the difference where there is, this is a review, this is missing. Good. Now let us create our chart now. So we go to pivot tables. On this, I want it in a new sheet. Then here you can say I want to see the okay, here I'm interested. You can be interested in the product category. I want to show those blanks. Then we want to review the ones with the review, and values can be review. Then we have we want the sales representative. Review. Let's see the sales representative with the most reviews. So we see. So this is here. So Aaron Adams has a lot, and Aaron Belt, you see, there's someone with 5. So that is how we see. So with that, so this is our tables. At the same time, we can do a chart. You can do a chart if you desire, but I think here you can see who has a lot of review, and you can see specific. We can see which sales ID. Let's say we pick our sales ID. Sales ID. So it has shown you which sales ID has who has which product. So you can check around that to see which one. So here we can say you can rename this sales rep review. So we need to check on those. Good. Now we see so duplicates, we don't have duplicates. Then now we want to create our charts. Okay. So we want to start with the charts for the missing data. So select this one. Then we have insert. I need a pivot chart here. I'll select a pivot chart for this range. Here I'm doing a pivot chart for missing values. So this is a blank. Let's say missing values. Okay. Now for the missing values here, I'm interested in the one that I say review. Select the review here, and then I want to see the transaction. So let's say sales ID. We can do account sales ID. we do a count. See? Okay. Now, so we have our count of sales, this 9,000, but under review, these ones are the ones that are okay. Under review, we have this. Or you can say we also select okay, so you have a clear. Okay, so these ones are okay, but our proportion that we are interested here, this one is for review. So a high, so here at least we can see the risk, the fraud case is quite minimal. It's not allowed. Okay, from this, because out of here the case are 90,000, and but 10,000 is quite significant also, because in business that's a big loss. So this is our chart for reviews. Okay, you can label here. So total, I need total review, total okay versus review cases. Yes, that's it. Now for we can do another chart. We can do another. Let's say we want to see the employees with the most fraud. So we come here, pivot chart. We say, okay, I need a new sheet. So these are rename here. Employees to review. So here you can come. Let's say here I'll take the review. Review is my values. The review is, and then I want to see the employee, their sales rep. Now, yes, our sales rep is here. So this is our chart. It shows at a glance. Well, these are the employees we need to put into check. And then let's see if we can sort this column. Order sum, clear fill. Styles, wrap. I'm not seeing where we're going to sort this. Okay, nevertheless, I think you have an idea. So this is our chart. You can see. Yeah. So if you select then this this one, it allows to see the trends. So per case, I think you can see it's between 16 to 15. It's not, but there are some who have a lot of cases. Yeah, we have here Elizabeth has 10 fraud cases. So they're all below 20 cases, but there are some. See here, this one Anthony Johnson has 17 cases. So this is our key target. Who is this? Andrew Smith, 16. Who's this? Amanda William, 11. Okay, so these are the people we need to investigate. Before I forget, you can also add filters. I've selected this product category and put it in filters so that you can filter this group based on category. So if you want to see in appliances, the employee who had the most review, you select and it will show you. So we have 4 here. This one here, Danielle had the most, and this one, Patricia Smith. Also, you can see in clothing, you can say okay. So depending on the department you've been asked, you can present this specific data. So you only add filters and you place it here. Now, I think you have an idea about that. So the next thing we need to do is to create a dashboard where we represent all this. So I hope you've understood how to do pivot tables, pivot chart to select values, okay, to separate column, to see unique values, do conditional formatting. Remember we did our colors, we colored, and then we see these employees. You can see who, you can check exact product they have missing, and also we can do another review. We see which products, by the way, let's say insert which product has the most review. We can say insert pivot. You can do either. Okay, let's say insert pivot table. From that, I want to see the product category that has the most review. But this review, it should be value, so it does a count. You see? You see how this? And also here, so let's say name here, product review table. So these are the categories. It can tell us which category has the most people where the crime takes place. We can also do for the same, we can still do a chart. You can do a stacked column. I want to insert a chart. We can do both at the same time. That was interesting. Okay, let's do both at the same time, so you learn that. Still product review, so I need a product category, then review. Okay, this review, put it here in values. You see, so you can see which place, which category has the most under review, either discount or sales. So whichever here you can choose, but I think that one will be okay for that. Yes, so this is the products. Now we review the employees who are doing that. Okay. So That's it. So the next thing we'll be doing is we'll put this data in a chart so you have a better visual of the same.